Good morning, everyone. Today I am excited to share our spoken English practice with the topic AI. So, we are acquainted with AI, right? So, let's get started. The rise of artificial intelligence in everyday life. Artificial intelligence has rapidly become one of the most talked about topics in the world today. From smartphones to smart homes, AI is changing how we live, work, and communicate. What once seemed like science fiction is now a daily reality of millions of people. One of the biggest reasons AI is getting attention is its ability to perform tasks that is usually require human intelligence. For example, voice assistant like Siri and Google Assistant can understand commands, answer questions, and even control devices. Similarly, AI-powered apps can recommend movies, detect diseases, and translate languages instantly. These advancements are making life more convenient and efficient. However, the rise of AI also brings challenges. Many people are concerned about jobless due to automation. Machines and software are now capable of doing repetitive tasks faster and more accurately than humans. This could affect industries such as manufacturing, customer service, and even transportation. As a result, workers need to adapt by learning new skills that cannot easily be replaced by machines. Another important issue is privacy. AI systems collect and analyze huge amount of data to function effectively. This raises questions about how personal information is used and protected. If not managed properly, it could lead to misuse of data or even cyber threats. Therefore, government and organizations must create strong policies to ensure safety and transparency. Despite these concerns, AI also offers many opportunities in healthcare. AI can help doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. In education, it can provide personalized learning experiences for students. Businesses are using AI to improve customer services and increase productivity. These benefits show that AI has the potential to improve quality of our life in many ways. The key to managing AI lies in balance. Society must embrace innovation while also addressing its risks. Education systems should prepare students for an AI driven future by focusing on creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. At the same time, ethical guidelines should be developed to ensure that AI is used responsibly. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is shaping the future of our world. While it brings both advantages and challenges, its impact cannot be ignored. By using AI wisely and responsibly, we can create a future that benefits everyone.